Hello and welcome to Deepblocks tutorial series for Deepblocks Developer. This is a very light and useful feasibility study product. In this video, I'll give you a quick overview of all the different components. We'll start by going to a city of choice. This could be any city around the world. I'll go to Miami, Florida. And you'll find the instructions on how to create your project on this left panel. You can turn on the satellite imaging and essentially find a site that's interesting. For example, this parking lot, you're able to draw your own parcel. We'll go over all those functionalities in the draw parcel tutorial. And once the parcel is drawn, you can select it and do a feasibility study. So let's do some multifamily, some retail. And on the second screen, so the first screen or the first interface is to be able to draw your parcel, and then the second interface is you can model the building. So we can go back to the regular map, and here you have a choice of all the different types of uses, your parking requirements, your cost, and we'll go over these in more details, but essentially you have all your assumptions on the left panels, your area assumptions, your volumetric assumptions, your setbacks assumptions so that you can shape the building on any floor. And then on the right, you have your back of the envelope and assumptions. The idea is for you to very quickly, let me turn off condo, very quickly understand your gross income, vacancy, operating expenses to get a net operating income, a total project cost, and a return on cost. So it's a very, very quick back of the envelope with a visual. And this is why this product is super cool and agile for feasibility studies. And with that, that's more or less the overview. Once you create a project, which you should always give it a name, let's call it project 1. You're able to share it with somebody else. They don't need a subscription to be able to use this. You can copy the project, create a duplicate, and have one that, let's say, is just retail and multifamily. And let's call this project 2. Oh. And once we go into the dashboard, we're able to see both of the new projects that we've created, compare the return on cost, share them or discard them here. So on the next tutorial, we'll go over the draw parcel functionality in more detail.